traders, welcome back to DKFX 001, and today on 3rd September we're looking at Gbpjpy on a 4-hour chart. So I'm going to break down this setup with you all. So if you're new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and let's get it, gang. So on today Gbpjpy, the market looks very clear and nice, and I like what I see in the market. So today Gbpjpy, the price took out this high. As you can see, the price took out that high, and that high had to make a liquidity grab to that high of a price of 199.63. 199.63. Yeah, that price had to be an liquidity grab. The price had to grab that liquidity, and the price had to give us a new selling point high. Then the price had to sweep that high, and the price gave us our new high for sellers again. As you can see, the high was respected at that price of 200.272. That price was respected respectfully, that price. So you can name that our 4-hour swing high. That's our 4-hour swing high. Yeah, after that the price had to be wavy now. As you can see, the price, after giving out the high, it gave us a previous low, of which that low the price came back and break its structure to the downside of a price of 199.302. 199.302. That's our break of structure, as you can see. So the price had to break its structure to the low, gave us our new low again, and that's our new low. The new low, the price had to change its character to that low of a price of 589. So that's our change of character to that low zone. But before the price had to change its character, the price moved upside back to our supply zone. As you can see, this is our supply zone right here, and the supply zone was very respected. That high was respected, and this low was respected, and the price had to mitigate our 4-hour supplies, then came back to this beautiful demand right here, then back to our zone. The price came back to this beautiful demand, then back to our zone. After that, the price did not touch our previous high, but gave us our new high again. So it seems like this high and this high seems like an equal high. The price did not touch the previous high, but gave us our new high again. Then price came back and changed its character again to this low. The price changed its character. So the price changing its character seems like the price is moving from bullish to bearish now. As you can see, the price is moving from bullish to bearish now. So the price changed its character to that low. Then, as I said before, the price changed this low, its character, then gave us our new low again. Then the price came back looking for supply zone to that zone, but our supply zone did not mitigate. Our supply zone did not mitigate at this zone. The supply had to come back and fill our 4-hour FFG. The price came and fill our 4-hour FFG at that zone. The price came and fill our 4-hour FFG for fair value gap or imbalance. The price had came and fill our imbalance, then came back, gave us our new low, to that low, and the low had to be a break of structure again. Had to be a break of structure again, and the price gave us this new high here, right here. The price of the high had to be a change of character right there. Change of character right there. As you can see, the high this side, it was like liquidity grab. The price had to liquidate the high. Then the supply zone right here. Sorry about this, supply zone right there. That's our supply zone. Our supply zone, our four supply zone was swept. The high of our supply was swept. The price came back and swept this high, but never swept the previous highs. Am I clear about it? Yeah, never swept the previous high, but gave us our new low. Our new low, this low is our sell side liquidity, where the price will be facing at this sell side liquidity. And as you can see, this low, the price had to came back out on our 4 FFG fair value gap, then came back and break its structure, came back and respected this low. Respected this low right here. This low was respected, so it seems like this low and that and this low seems to be an equal low, because the price never touched our low, our previous low. So that low looks to be our equal low. Then the price is now at this zone. As you can see very clearly, the price that on that zone, and you can see the price right here looks to be playing at that zone. The price looking to be played at that zone. That's our support, and the price looking to be playing at that zone, at this zone. That's our support. That's our support. That's our, you can see again this zone. The price looking to be trading at that zone. Yeah, that was our previous resistance. The price came back to our support. Now the price bouncing at our support, looking to face down our previous support, which if it break down to this support, this will be our resistance, this will now be our support. Yeah, and after that, as you can see, the market had to form a beautiful high and low. As you can see, this low seems to be an 4-hour swing low, because we have our 4-hour swing high above there. So this seems to be our 4-hour swing low. 4-hour swing low. 4-hour swing low. And that 4-hour swing low and for this 4-hour swing high seems like the market will be retracing. So I had to draw my Fibonacci right there, and our Fibonacci 25, I guess. That's what the price is moving. So the price is retracing at premium zone. I can't be buying this price at this zone, at a premium zone. I'll be liquidated because the price is at our premium zone. So I'll be waiting for the market to be trading at our discount zone, of which at our this discount zone I have to be looking at point of interest where the market will be coming at. So as for me, looking at point of interest, I'll be looking at, let me say, as you can see, this low seems to be our strong low, and this low was a change of character. The price had to came here and sweep that high. Yeah, and this was a change of character again. The price had to shift character from bears to bulls, and as you can see clearly, this is our point of interest right here. I was looking at, that's our point of interest right there. Point of interest right there I'll be looking at. and that point of interest, it's at our discount zone where the market I'll be looking to be trading at. So as you can see, that's our point of interest, and this zone seems to be a break of structure. That zone seems to be a break of structure where the price seems to be continuing. So the price will be looking to take out. I'll be waiting for the price to take out these lows, to take out those lows, and this low right here, this low right here. I'll be waiting for the price to take out those lows, coming back to our 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, then looking at our buys onto that zone like poof. That's what I'll be looking at Gbpjpy, at that zone. Yeah, so this is a point of interest. I'll be trading this zone, I'll be trading this trade at this zone. As you can see, this market good risk reward ratio, I'll be tagging this low as my stop loss, of which I can adjust my sell to this low, but it's all about risk management. I'll put this low right here because this low was respected. So I'll be trading Gbpjpy at this low of our discount price, and I'll be sharing this signal with you guys in my Telegram channel. Make sure you go subscribe at DKFX001. So on a signal on Gbpjpy, I'll be buying GBP at our discount level of 196.946, and our stop loss will be at 195.697. Our target will be 200.72. That's our target for Gbpjpy this week, or maybe next week. It's a price of waiting. So you wait, execute, plan, wait, execute. Yeah, and that's it, guys. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us our thumbs up if you understand it and you get the confluence where we will be trading at. You get the confluence why we trade in Gbpjpy, and the reason why we trade in this Gbpjpy, it's not about the analysts. We're looking at fundamentals. Go back to your Forex factory, watch out what's coming next before you execute that trade on Gbpjpy. As you can see, this week it's very, very crazy. We got non-farm payroll exchange, we got unemployment rate, we got USD, we got unemployment claims, ADP. Yeah, it's big news this week, so stay safe, guys. Stay safe. Anyway, have a good one. Thank you.